Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add an item in your Depop shopping bag. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and then in the URL box type in depop.com. Make sure you're logged into your Depop account, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and click on any item you want to add to your bag. I'm just gonna open up this category over here. Now find the item you want to add to your bag so that you can purchase it later. Click on the item and now it'll open up this info section where you need to click on add to bag. Once you do that, you will be able to add the item to your shopping bag. Now you can come to this bag anytime you want and go ahead and check out with the items that you've added in it if you like to purchase it. So that's how you easily add an item in your shopping bag on Depop.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.